Good afternoon, viewers, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ian, Tempest Ian. You know, I've been having a lot of questions from my followers on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, especially from the upcoming artists. They're always asking what materials I use to blend my drawing to make them look realistic. So I made a video today to help them on how to make their drawings also make look realistic. So I want to start by telling you that when I first started, I was using my fingertip and tissue papers because that were the only available material, and as you know, as a beginner, I didn't have knowledge on what I could use. So from getting affiliated with other artists online and friends, I had to develop my talent by getting to buy those materials that were necessary, or the materials that were really good at making your drawings look realistic. So I'm here today to tell you on how my journey started and how I got to having all those good and smooth and realistic looking drawings online. So here is it. First, I want to start with the tutorial. The tutorial is a paper. It's a paper that has a pointed end. Now, I'm going to make a video on how to do this tutorial by yourself at home. I first started using the tutorial when I learned from other artists that it also make drawings look real. So at some point I got affiliated to an artist who taught me on how to do these materials by myself. So I started using it and I saw that it gave my result. It gives my drawings a very suiting result, something that I never knew before. But after some times I decided to advance. I stopped using tutorials. So I got online and met with friends, and they introduced me to a stuff that looks like tutorial but has two ends, which is called blending storm. I had used this blending storm and the tutorials themselves, and I was okay with what I got. But you know, as a learner, I wanted to try out more things. So I decided to try everything I see, everything I hear, everything I get from other artists. So I advanced to the level of, I started using Q-tip, the common cotton bud we use for cleaning the ear. It is called cotton bud, but for we the artists we call it Q-tip. This is how it looks like, the Q-tip. We use it for blending. Then I had to know that I learned that the Q-tip was better because it was soft and smooth, not like the paper that wants to maybe get the friction between the paper and the tutorial itself is going to make it look as if the paper are coming out, and it doesn't make your drawing look real, just like tissue paper I had been using, or the paper towel themselves. So for smaller area I use the tutorial. For large area I use cotton wool, the common cotton wool we've been having in chemist store. That's what I've been using. So it gave me a very fine result. I really enjoyed it. But at some point, as a learner, I wanted to know more. So I met other artists too who gave me new ideas, and I get ideas every day. So I started using another kind of material which has really helped me a lot. And the effect that I got from it, I think that's the material that has kept me going. But combined with all of these materials I've just introduced. Now here is it. It is a brush, the brush, the makeup brush the ladies use. It can be a very good tool for blending. It blends very smooth. And I also have another material here commonly used by some artists, but the effect I always get from this material doesn't make me like it more. It is called the powder foam, a material which women use in applying powders on their face. So we use it for blending large area, where you have a large area and places that there are no too much detail on, like skin on the cheek and skin tone. The same way the blend is slowly on their skin when applying powder is the same way you apply on paper to make your graphite or charcoal drawing look real. So uh, those are the materials I'm using for now. I know as time goes on, you get to find more materials or new materials online, and with that, you want to try them out and get some effect. If the effect are good for you, you can make it your favorite material. But for me, my favorite material is the brush, the Q-tip, and the cotton wool itself. Those are the two materials that I love, or the three materials that I love so much. They really help me. I fell in love with it. They are my favorite. You know, different things works for different people, but I will advise you to try all the materials. When trying, the materials that seems to go well with you are the ones you're supposed to use. Thanks for watching. I'll be coming up with a new video showing you on how to create these tutorials by yourself by the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep locked on to my channel.